Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make crab rangoon, so let's get started with the video. First, chop 8 ounces of imitation crab meat into small pieces. When you're finished, set it to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, your imitation crab meat, 1/3 cup of green onions, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your filling to the side. Now we're going to assemble our crab rangoons. Get a wonton wrapper and then place 1 to 2 teaspoons of your filling at the center of your wrapper. Then brush the edges of your wrapper with a bit of water. Next, take the corners of one side and pinch them together, and then do the same thing to the other side. After you've done that, bring both sides together. Then pinch the center and along the sides. When you're finished, your rangoon should look like this. Repeat this process until you run out of filling. When you finish assembling your rangoons, place them inside a deep fryer or pot. Then fry your crab rangoons at 350 degrees for about 3 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Make sure to cook your rangoons in batches of 4 or 5, and when you finish cooking them, take them out of the pot or fryer and place them on a wire rack. Repeat this process until you finish frying all of your crab rangoons. Once you finish frying your crab rangoons, you can go ahead and plate them up. And this is the finished result. These were delicious. They're crispy and they tasted great with the sweet chili sauce. I ate like 5 of them after I finished filming. They were pretty easy to make as well, and they came out looking so cute and tiny and adorable. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!